Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to have a blank profile picture on Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmini. Open your Facebook profile, then click on your profile and click on view profile picture. And after viewing your profile picture, click on this three dot icon, and from here delete your profile photo. Delete. And after deleting your profile photo, here automatically will set a blank profile picture. And if you have multiple profile picture, you have to delete all the profile picture, and after that you will automatically get this blank profile picture from Facebook. This was how we can have a blank profile picture on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmini. Thanks for watching this video.